What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do rice with no ketchup. As you can see, I'm in your face because my tripod is MIA, so we're gonna do our best to do it one-handed. But like I said, this is gonna be the rice with no ketchup, the easiest way I know how to do it. A lot of you have asked me how to do it, so let's get into it. All right, guys, we're gonna get into it. Obviously, you're gonna need a bucket. I'm gonna use focus 28 ounces of instant white rice. This one's going to be pineapple, I guess. You can use any kind of flavored drink, Mountain Dew, Sprite, Fanta. If you want to make a great drink, or if you want to make a great bait, use a great Fanta. I mean, you can use anything as long as it has a lot of sugar in it. Well, you can use water too, but it tends to dry out a little quicker. But we're going to use some lake monsters. Alright, what I'm going to do first is, this is 67 ounces, something like that. I'm going to set y'all down for a second, open it. Alright, so that's 60, I think it's 67, yeah. That's a 28 ounce box of rice, so I'm going to use, a little under half of this, I guess. This is a 2 liter. You just want to use at least 30 ounces of liquid if you use 28 ounces of rice. Not quite half. Yeah, that's about half. So that's half of a pineapple, just a great value, 68-cent 2 liter. This is a cup of salt. So 1 cup of salt. Guys, this bait right here, if you don't have the salt and sugar, it literally costs you like $4. So even with the salt and sugar, it doesn't cost that much. Only like $6. Alright, so it's a cup of sugar. Alright, so far that's half of a 2 liter, a cup of sugar, and a cup of salt. And give it a good mix. Try to get all that dissolved best you can. Now, this much liquid, it's not ketchup, so see, ketchup you can just leave in there and not have to worry about really mixing it. With this liquid, it'll sit on the bottom real bad. So you wanna stir it after you make it. Just come in and mix it up about every 2 hours or so. It'll probably take about 12 hours to set up. So you want to make it at least 12 hours before you go to the lake. So, and then, like I said, 28 ounce box of rice, instant rice, the whole box. We're gonna put our flavoring in there, right? Alright. Very good mix. Usually I would do it for my hand, but obviously right now the tripod is trying to walk off. Alright. This is Lake Monsters pineapple. I'm going to use about, I don't know, about 2 ounces, I guess. about 2 ounces. All right, now we'll mix it up. Switch hands. I'm not very good left-handed, so. Like I said, this is a 28-ounce box of rice, half of a 2-liter of whatever flavor drink you want. A lot of people use Mountain Dew. You don't have to use Mountain Dew. Now, as you can see, it's very soupy. So you're gonna want to stir this about every 2 hours or so. You know. It'll take about 4 hours to fill up. Something like that. How much liquid you put in it. But as I was going over that before I got started that, as you can see, that's why I use a tripod, because I'm a terrible cameraman. But 20-ounce box of instant rice, half of a 2-liter of whatever flavored drink you want, 2 ounces of flavoring. I use late monsters pineapple, a cup of sugar, and a cup of salt, and then just give it a mix. It should be set up in about 12 hours or so. Alright, I'm gonna come back to y'all in around 12 hours or so, and we'll see how it's set up and see how it's breaking and all that good stuff. What's going on, guys? It's been about 24 hours actually. The bait was set up in 12, okay. It was real sticky still, which it still is kind of sticky, but feels really good actually. But I do recommend using, if you can, 30 ounces. Minimum 30 ounces. I wouldn't want to use no more than 33-ish. But as you can see, it looks great. It's real bright. I'll pack a quick ball, show you breaking up. It's gonna be ugly because I can't use my other hand, but yeah, it's about 24 hours and it feels really good. You see how much it made. It made a pretty good bit. As you can tell, it's bubbling. Yeah, it looks great. It smells great. You get a lot more smell of the flavor, you know, because there's not a ton of ketchup in there. But look at that. Literally like 45 seconds. Not even that. But you see, it looks great. Like I said, try to use around 30 ounces. And like I said, this is almost 24 hours. It's exactly almost 22 hours since I made it. So you can see, it looks great, smells great. No ketchup.